Thanks for tuning in to Essential RC. We're back with the RC Era C129 version 2. I flew this actually not too long ago with Ollie, and Ollie didn't just crash the helicopter, he also crashed the radio because he dropped that as well. Now I have a guest pilot with me today, all the way from Chicago, family all the way from Chicago. This is Kevin.
Hello, how are you?
And he's going to give it a go. We're going to prove that this can be literally flown by anybody who has not flown RC before. You've flown a DJI.
I have flown a DJI, yes, totally.
But you've not flown something fully radio controlled.
And it's good to know that somebody crashed it already. So
yeah, they have crashed it already, and it survived. So if it survived them, it will survive what you throw at it. So here we go, we're going to put it together, put it on the landing pad. I didn't bring my nice, lovely Amazon landing pad with me today, so I've stolen my mum's chopping board. Almost as good as a landing pad, so we're going to start it up and we'll show it fly. Right, so the first thing we do is we put in that the right way, and then we'll put that down, and then turn on the transmitter, and then for it to bind, we go down and up, and that should be bound now. So this is now talking to that.
Okay.
So let's stand back a little bit. Don't want to get decapitated right at the start. This is auto takeoff and auto land.
Got it.
I've told Kevin already what the sticks do. So that is your stick to take. That is your button to take off. All right, so down. That's down.
Yep.
All right. All right. So just gentle inputs.
Yep.
Just really gentle inputs. So that one is turn you around, yaw,
Yep.
and then the other one is forwards and backwards and side to side. Yeah? Okay. We're already getting the hang of it. So try and stay over there, in front of us. Up a little bit. Try and stay over here. Little movements, little movements. Get it pointing this way and then forwards. Forwards. Oh! Crashed. See, the great thing with this is these blades are pretty robust.
It's got some durability.
It's got some durability. So automatically switches off. So try and take off again and try and stay reasonably in the same space.
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's do that. Try and hover in the spot. Little movements.
Yeah, this is
Let me have a go. So turn it forward and then forward like that.
forward movement, right?
Yeah, so alright, so on this stick, round like that.
Gotcha.
And up and down.
Gotcha. And that right side is forward and back.
Now the other thing you can do, it's drifting a little bit, so I can do that. So that's better, isn't it? It's not
Totally.
that's totally hands off, and it's
Yeah.
kind of flying by itself. That might make things a little easier. So I'm bringing it back. The other thing that this can do is it's got a little trick switch I was telling you about. So we'll get a bit of height, and then if I click this button,
No way.
it'll do a flip all by itself. And if you do that too close, it'll take your eye out.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful about that. So do you want to have a go at that?
Sure.
There you go. So to do the flip, it's up on that button,
Okay.
and then that. Do it. Okay, we'll do it again. Get a bit of height. Do the switch up, and then sideways. Way!
Nice.
You're a 3D heli pilot. Right, now I want you to try and land it on the chopping board.
Lord.
So remember, this is down.
Yeah.
So bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, and try and manoeuvre it over the chopping board. That's it. Come on, and down. And get it reasonably close to it, and then press the landing switch. You don't have to get exactly on it. Click hit the landing switch there. And you do.
Bouncing stop.
12 foot for the launch.
That wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad for a first.
It's a metric system.
So there we go. So that's
Nice.
the C129 version 2 from RC Era from my friends at banggood.com. Kev has never flown an RC helicopter before, and he's done it pretty successfully, and nobody was harmed.
Nobody was injured.
Nobody was harmed. We didn't damage it at all. So thanks for coming over. And
Thank
doing
you.
it, Kevin.
Thank
you. Where are you off to? You're off to a concert.
We're off to Glastonbury.
You're off to Glasgow.
Yeah,
That's
off
why
to
you
Glasgow.
came over. Yeah.
Well, family.
And family as well. Thanks for dropping in. And have fun at that. And thanks to Nick on camera. We'll be back soon on Essential RC. Thanks for watching. Take care. There you go.